As they exit to the left, Captain Kessering calls for another formation change prior to detaching Blue Angel number 5.
Number 5.
From the right?
You've seen several flight profiles of the F-18. The two solo pilots will next demonstrate precision roll rate control. Approaching center point, they will roll their aircraft 360 degrees, pausing after each 90 degrees of rotation, crossing center point in the inverted position. Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing 4-point hesitation roll. Crossing center point, they'll climb up through vertical and smoothly shift back into the Blue Angel Diamond.
I didn't know they do that. It's so hard to like. Yeah, I know.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel vertical break. And Lieutenant Commander Brett are approaching to demonstrate the impressive pitch rate of the F-18. Crossing center point, they'll execute a maximum performance climb with a split S reversal, bringing their aircraft back over show center. He'll pull up through vertical, roll the formation 90 degrees, and perform a split S, finishing with a dynamic separation maneuver. As the formation pulls to level, each pilot will perform an individual brake turn and exit the flight line in a separate direction. The Blue Angel barrel roll rake. Back to the right, the two solo pilots are making their approach to the shoreline. Crossing center point, they will simultaneously roll their aircraft 420 degrees in section. Ladies and gentlemen, The double tug-over roll. From behind the crowd, Captain Kesselring is rolling out the diamond formation for another dynamic maneuver, the low brake cross. Approaching center point, each pilot will perform an individual brake turn and exit the flight line in a separate direction.
Yeah.
Woo!
Something like this show.
As the aircraft accelerates to 500 miles per hour, they'll perform a reversal turn back towards the flight line. You should be able to follow their individual smoke trails as all 4 aircraft converge on center point with maximum closure and minimum separation.